Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I made a recreation of peachy bbies, or babies, however you pronounce it, I guess. Peanut butter fudge. Don't mind this stick. I was going to make slime, but I decided to do this instead. So this is how it looks. We got a bit of some of this in it. Hold on. It's super hard to open things with one finger only. Kind of sticky because it was sitting out a while. So that's this. And then I used the whole Peachy Babies thing because it deflated. So, oh, I just got a bit of slime in here. Oopsies, it's fine. It's okay. So yeah. So that's this. Okay, hold on 1 second. Let me just set up the camera. Okay, so what I noticed is that it doesn't drizzle very much. It didn't really that well before, but yeah, and also it swirls way better, and it is way more bubbles since this has like little foam chunks in it. Also, I like the color a lot better. If you look on the package, it shows some coloring. This is like a mixture in between those, kind of. I mean, I guess a little bit. But I think it looks more like a peanut butter fudge texture and just everything. Because like I feel like I made it into sort of chunky peanut butter, I guess. Just a little bit. And don't mind my dog. And yeah. And I think it just has more of a fudge look. Like if it was very brown, it would be more fudgy. But also, don't mind my dog again. He just likes to interrupt my videos, I guess. But yeah, I do quite like the color. I think that it looks like if you were to like sprinkle some fudge on top of like colored peanut butter, that's what this looks like. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the video for today. There will be another one tomorrow. Also, thank you for 10 subscribers. That video will come out soon. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.